In my first article, I explained how we can install Apache TAJO in our Linux system. And in the second step, I'm going to explain how we can connect Apache Big TAJO data warehouse from our client machine. So for this needs, we need two applications. One is a SQL Client. This application, it's possible to download from here. It's open source. And second requirement is we need Apache TAJO jdbc driver. So when we download Apache TAJO, we have a folder which is calling share, and then jdbc distribution, and then we'll see our TAJO jdbc driver. So we are going to SQL installation folder, and then we are going to library folder. Let's copy and paste this file to this folder. We copy it, and then let's open SQL Client. In my front end of SQL Client, I already defined drivers and connection aliases, but I will show how we can define and how parameters should be. So we are going to drivers, and let's look this Apache TAJO. So in my situation, I will just edit or modify. In your situation, you'll just add create new driver like this. So let's measure them. We are going to give a name, Apache TAJO, and then jdbc example. The last piece is database, which is in a TAJO data warehouse, and then I just copied same structure to website URL. So we are finding our jdbc driver under the library path. So we are going TAJO, yeah, here, and then class name should be like this. Let's copy and paste, and when you say OK, this driver should be defined here. So I'm closing this one and I'm closing this one, and then we are going to aliases. So I already defined my aliases, so let's say this one, and then let's modify as well. So we are giving a name, and then we are choosing driver, and then we are writing URL. As I said before, the last piece is about database, so we have to tell the driver which database we are going to connect. Username and password can be empty because I didn't define any username and password. So we are going to just say test, then connect. Connection successful, and then OK. So when we see these connections, we can say connect to selected alias, or just right click and connect. Try one more time. Here you go. So let's click tables. We have tables here. Some of them are original tables and some of them TAJO required tables. So let's write some SQL queries. I want to make selections to my orders tables. Oh, not orders tables, sorry. I want to make selections about my customers dim table. Customers dim table. And I want to limit with 10 records first. Yep, we have 10 records. Query just returned. So we can see some information. We can see our result. Let's say 100 records. So we have 100 records now. So we access our TAJO. We made our selections. We can query our big data warehouse system with jdbc driver. I didn't mention, but we can use also ETL tools like Informatica and Oracle Data Integrator to make some ETL work and storing data to Apache TAJO big data warehouse system. In my next videos, I'm going to explain how we can do what we need. Thank you very much.